Hey, Sedge, just got this at a garage sale because it's cold out.
What is it?
It's a big, is that Auger Bit?
Okay, so yes, it is.
Okay,
And,
Auger.
Okay, so it's an Auger Bit. You get a little oxidation on there, and it's actually a self-feed bit.
Oh, okay.
An Auger Bit, actually, they're both Auger Bits, but a self-feed has a screw tip. So when you start this will go right through the board. Okay, less effort, but you are going through the board. Okay, so what I always do when I grab one of these at a yard sale, garage sale, is the first thing I do is I feel up here. Okay, and feel that right there.
Okay.
What is that? It's called a burr.
The burr.
Okay, I look at this part right here because that's your cutting, and this is your cutting right here and here. But the first thing I want to do is I want to remove that burr like that because that's a heavy burr and some of this oxidation.
Okay.
So I want to bring it over to the drill press with you and clean it up.
Let's clean it up.
Let's deoxidize this or take the rust off of it. We got to remove the burr. So we could have just taken this and gone like this on it, but what I like to do is take my drill press, put it in the slowest speed, which is 300 RPM. Okay, hey look, check it out. We'll get a little light on there too.
All right.
Okay. Make sure, I always do this with a drill press, I make sure that I have it perfectly centered, so there's no wobble. And this is kind of an unorthodox way of doing it, but I've just gotten used to this when I'm cleaning up a garage sale find, okay? And I just take it like this, and I bring it right to it. I'm very cautious when I do this, okay? And then I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna stop it. You're gonna see how it cleans up really nice, and feel this, Big D. We removed the burr.
That's smooth as a baby's bottle.
Okay, and I'm gonna check to see the oxidation is pretty much gone. I'm gonna just, and oh, by the way, this is 320 grit. Okay, I'm just gonna take it like this. In other words, that will give us a cleaner hole as you're bringing that Auger Bit through there. I'm just gonna clean that just a little bit more. And once again, put that drill press in your slowest setting. And there we go.
Awesome. That looks almost brand new with all that oxidation gone. So, time to sharpen. What do we do?
Okay, so we're gonna hit this edge right here.
Okay.
Okay. What we want to do is we want to create another burr.
But we just took the burr.
But it's going to be a razor edge.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is I'm going to take it like this and I'm going to feel my file on there. I'm feeling the flat and I'm just going to bring it back and forth like this. Okay, and you're going to see where I'm actually making it shinier. Oh. Okay, and this is just your typical file, just like this. But I don't, and you'll see in the manufacturing, you see how you get dull, it's not, you have highs and lows on this is what I'm trying to get at. And what's shiny again is that outer edge, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna have you do that and feel that on there.
Okay, we're just going back and forth.
Yeah, but make sure you feel that on there. And this is the beginning of all the sharpening I'm going to teach you, so you understand your movements in sharpening. Okay? Ooh. Yeah, you're getting there.
Right, let me just
feel that flat.
Feel it flat on there.
Yep, and you got to maintain that flat. So what I like to teach people when I'm teaching sharpening, okay, is you don't have to see it.
Okay.
Watch, I'll show you again. You don't have to see it. You feel it.
All right.
Okay, and that's the name of the game. Okay, and sometimes hand position, arm position is everything, but I'm feeling that right there. I don't have to look at it. I'm feeling it because I'm maintaining. Look at my thumbs right there, maintaining the flat.
So you defile your thumbnail at the same time.
Absolutely, I just thought of that. That's
double
cool.
whammy, baby.
Okay, but look, we're shiny all the way around, and then come over here with that feeler gauge I taught you about. You got a slight burr on there.
You can feel. Oh, nice.
You can feel it. So what you're doing is you're taking something you probably get for $1 at a garage sale and you're just renewing it. So the other flute I want to get is this. And this is maybe a little bit trickier, okay, but I don't spend a lot of time on this. I'm going to bring it back just like this, okay? It has a nick in it, but that's your cutting edge right there, okay? And I'm just going to bring it back like this. See that?
Oh, wow.
Okay, and then this
on the underside,
you can feel it. So let's look at that. And it's ever so slight. You see where it's been machined. Okay, so I want to hit that ever so slightly. So in sharpening, it's always getting comfortable. It's how you get comfortable with something to make sure it's the right way of doing it. Now this, I don't have a lot of play, so I'm just going to take it like this, and I feel that edge, and I'm going to come in here and just knock it down ever so slightly.
Just enough.
Just enough. And you know what? I'm starting to see.
You see that shine?
You can see the shine. Okay. You'll see where I am hitting the flat right. Okay. So there it is. And I want you to feel this. You'll feel a slight burr on the underside.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's almost like a cabinet scraper.
Yes. So what we can do is we can just take a little piece of sandpaper to knock that off. But now you have a nice clean auger bit, self-feed, and that'll take you right through.
Awesome.
So there you go. So let's test our efforts. Woo! So I set the depth so that point will just come through. So we'll stop it and then we'll come from the other side.
Okay.
All right. So we'll just bring it right over like this, and I'll just take it like this, and we'll bring it right on in. Okay, you'll feel the drill press stop. Okay, I'll bring it out. Okay, and we'll check. Look, see right here? Nice clean hole all the way through. And then we'll just bring it back this way. Okay, and I'll just center it like this and punch right through. So you got a clean hole on either side. And you got yourself one heck of an auger bit.